So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Kali Linux on the virtual machine. So let's get started. Firstly, you're gonna open your browser and type Workstation, VMware Workstation Pro 14, because that's the version you can easily get an activation key online for free. Um, you're gonna create an account. That's the first link. You're gonna create an account and download the 14.1.3 version for Windows, because my machine is 64 bits and I'm gonna take the 64-bit version. The latest version of VMware Pro 15 just gave you 15 days of trial, so that's why I can get it. I can advise you guys to download it. So I'm gonna download it right now. I've actually installed it before, so I won't download it anymore. So I'll skip it. I'll skip it. So, and now you're gonna go to the Kali Linux site where you're gonna have your Kali Linux operating system. Yep, you can get several version of Kali Linux. It's a 34-bit version and it's 64 bits. You can actually download it directly, or you can use a uTorrent. You can use uTorrent to download it. But due to the fact that my machine is 64 bits, let me show you. 64 bits. Yeah, there is it. 64 bits. I can download a 32 bits to install in my 64-bit machine because it wouldn't work. So you need to download the 64-bit version. I've done it before, so I won't do it anymore. So now, after you have installed your firmware, you're create gonna create a virtual machine. Let's get started. Now, I'm gonna choose the recommended ones because if you're a new user, click on that. Now, for Linux, you're gonna choose Debian 9X 64 bits because that's a version that's compatible with Kali Linux. Or if you are Thames, you can use Ubuntu. You can decide to choose Ubuntu. Now, here you name your operating system, then choose your location. Actually, I've partitioned my hard drive before, so. And remember, all your files should all your operating system should be found in the same and one file. So you're gonna create a file and name it, then select the file. Because if you select your hard drive directly, you're gonna like spread the whole operating system. But if you're a new user, don't use that. I don't advise you to use that, because that's mostly used in case if you want to switch from different operating system to another. So I advise you. Now you're gonna give allocated capacity, or let me not say drive. Choose. I'm gonna give 2 gig. It is better. 2 gig memory. Yeah. Okay. Now for the processor, I'm gonna give two. Yeah. Now here I'm gonna give the directory to my operating system, Kali Linux. I've download selected. Yep. Then now for a network adapter, I've encountered a problem installing Kali Linux using the bridge. So I'd advise you to use the NAT, because I don't know if it will work in all the machine. After then you remove that, and this. Because if you don't do that, your Kali Linux won't install on the virtual machine. Actually, the Kali Linux is quite good, but the operating system is incomplete. That is, Linux haven't yet completed this operating system. Like it's not yet a perfect operating system, so it has still have some inconvenience. So, well, let's get started. You go and launch your virtual machine. Now, follow what I'm gonna do because everything gonna just go very fast. So, firstly, you're gonna choose your graphical installation because if you go like if you select install, you're gonna install your operating system using commands, of which you guys are not yet ready for. So, we're gonna choose graphical installation. Next, you're gonna choose your country, and you can select anything you want if you like. Never mind what I'm choosing. I'm just a tutorial, so I'm gonna show you what to do. If you like, you can follow what I'm doing. I don't really care. If you like, you can do that. But select any country of your choice or any language of your choice, depending on what you want to do. If you speak French, you can select French. Speak English, you can select English or any other stuff. Okay. So actually, right now it's trying to detect if you have the necessary, if your computer is actually compatible with the operating system. But don't never mind. A virtual machine has been built for that. So you've choose the required stuffs for your virtual machine, for your Kali Linux. So you will detect all the hard drive, all the stuff. You know what I mean? So next, you go and leave it Kali Linux. It depends on you. If you like, you can write your name or any other stuff because that's what you use it asks. Like when you use a new machine, you're gonna select. You're gonna leave the domain empty. Now for your password, the default password for Kali Linux is star. So, but now the latest versions, you can now decide to change password. You can decide to put anything you want. But due to the fact it's a tutorial, I'm gonna leave it Tor for you guys. But if you like, you can still change it if you want. Next, now here's to guide you on how to partition your hard drive. But at, when you created the virtual machine, you gave 25 gig, right? It depends on you. You can give 25 gig when you're creating your virtual machine. But right now, Kali Linux will detect the exact 25 gigabytes, and I advise you to select the first option. If you're a new user, I recommend you to select the first option because that's what is better for you. Now, click on this. Next. Now, it's patching your disk. Now the installation has started. You're gonna wait. Oh my God, we're gonna wait this shit. It's gonna take a long time. Well, let's wait. Okay, actually now I've decided to cut the video so like go almost at the end of the installation because you have really not much to do. Then let's just wait. Almost done. Okay, after it gonna ask you to install supergrub bootloader. Okay, just select yes. That doesn't need to do. Continue. You're gonna install it. That's what mostly operating system like. If you wanna install two operating system on your machine, you're gonna ask you to like install a grub bootloader because mostly when you wanna install two operating system, the first operating system used to be the one you use, which is
your Windows, if you either use Windows or Mac or any other operating system as your first operating system, Linux will come second on the list. So it, the dual bootloader helps you to run two operating system on the same machine. So it's pretty much that. Uh, well, almost done.
Okay. Tripping.
Well, it's taking its time. Okay, okay. Mostly it depends on the RAM you give on your virtual machine. I gave two, which should be pretty much fast. Okay, actually it's installed the grub bootloader. Hope you're not gonna take a long time. Like the procedure.
Okay.
Pretty much taking its time too. But if you like, you can still increase the the memory you give to the allocated memory you give to your machine. Okay, done. Click on yes. Select the second option because that's the bootloader. That's the grub disk. The grub bootloader. I mean. Okay. Installation is almost done. Well. Okay. Damn. I think I would have like gave like 4 GB RAM or something like that because right now it's fucking slow. Okay. Installation is complete. Now click on continue. Okay. Right now it's gonna restart after finish to load this bar. Almost done. Oh my god, it's taking its time. It's quite slow. Oh my god. Well, I think I have to wait this time because it's not pretty long. But I want you guys to see the main procedure, So that's why I don't really wanna pause the video to say to let it go faster or the like. So let's wait. It's almost done. Oh my god. Good, 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 good. Oh shit, it's taking its time. I think it might be better to give 40 gram, no. But anyway, stuff is done. Okay, there, there's it. It's rebooting right now. Okay, that is it. Actually, you see, it's like taking half of the screen. Don't bother. We're gonna fix that. Actually, okay, let's restart it. Well, it, okay, right now you're gonna start by giving. Actually, I advise you for the username because you have a Mac. It didn't ask us for a username when you created when you are installing Kali Linux. So you're gonna give username as root. That is ROOT root, and the password you're gonna give Tor because that's the password we were asked to give for Kali Linux. Or if you decided to give another one, therefore right. So after that, okay, there is username root. Then next, then you give your password, Tor, and then sign in. For the first time, it's gonna take a little bit longer. Gonna take a bit longer to run on. Okay, okay. Well, that's what I was saying. It'll take a little bit longer to start. So let's just be patient. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is pretty much scary because I really don't like it when it takes. Well, it's the first use. So okay, there is a. This is how Kali Linux looks like. Okay, now these are the softwares. You guys have been asking for hacking stuff. We're gonna do the hacking stuff. Okay, I'm gonna create a playlist on YouTube page, of which you could, guys, if you guys wanna have a full tutorial on Kali Linux, you're gonna be pretty much good. If you guys help me do that, like you like my videos, subscribe and share, comment, you'll be grateful. Encourage me to do more videos on this. So let's get started. Actually, now let me increase the screen. Yeah, actually, the operating system looks pretty small, but don't bother. I'll leave the code of which you will use to let it fit like a complete operating system. Like it be wider, wider, and wider. Like it can adapt to your screen. That's what I mean. Actually, after that, at the top left of your of the firmware software, you're gonna see view. You're gonna see view. Okay, let it finish. Now the required softwares to do that. Um, okay. Tick tack, tick tack, tick tack, tick tack, tick tack. Okay, good. Now this is how the magic looks like. You click on feed guest, and this is what's gonna happen. It'll become wider to fit completely your required desires. Just be patient. It's gonna take some seconds. Good. All right. There is it. Now you can put it more wider if you want to fit completely. Okay. There is it. Thanks for watching my video. Follow us, continue following us, like, comment, subscribe, and share to have more videos. Thank you.